Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll be reviewing the amazing top 5 rolling grilling baskets. If you're looking for accurate and reliable information, watch the full video. So let's start our review today. Number 1. 3 PCS Rolling Grilling Baskets. Set of 3 stainless steel rolling grilling baskets, perfect for grilling fish, shrimp, meat, vegetables, and fries. Durable, portable, and easy to use, these grill mesh baskets ensure even cooking and are ideal for outdoor barbecues. Provides versatile and secure design. The grill basket's perfect size and strong, dense grill grate prevents small barbecue food pieces from falling through the gaps, making it ideal for grilling vegetables and various meats with confidence. Food-safe material. Made from 304 stainless steel. The barbecue basket is food-grade, ensuring no harmful substances leach into your food during grilling, making it safe for cooking. Convenient cleaning options. The 3-pack grill basket, SML, offers multiple cleaning methods, whether through dishwasher or hand washing, providing flexibility and ease for post-barbecue cleanup. Durable and reliable. Featuring a thicker, denser, and stronger grill grate. The grilling basket prevents small pieces of barbecue foods from falling through the grid gap and ensures even heat distribution, making it a durable and reliable tool for long-term use. Relaxing grilling experience. The sizzling sound of food on the grill creates a relaxing and enjoyable ambience, making grilling with music playing a delightful way to spend a good day with friends and family. Deluxe Gift Pack. This grill basket for veggies set isn't just a top-notch cooking tool, it's also a deluxe gift pack perfect for barbecue lovers. With 2 extra-large baskets, it's the ultimate present for birthdays, Christmas, or just because. Imagine the joy on their faces as they grill shrimp, veggies, or chicken to perfection at the next pool party or any gathering with family and friends. Number 2. Stainless Steel Large Folding Grilling Baskets. Stainless steel barbecue grill basket with a foldable handle, perfect for grilling fish, shrimp, vegetables, and more. Portable and durable, ideal for outdoor camping or backyard barbecue. It provides complete high-quality grilling value set. Conquer the grill with your own tools to help you prepare your famous barbecue recipes. The Shizo set includes a grill basket, basting brush, grilling gloves, and even a portable case for a barbecue away from home. Perfect grill results. Enjoy the ease of grilling whether meats, seafood, veggies, or even s'mores for camping night. You'll always get a perfectly even grill with the Shizo grill basket. Safer and easier grilling. The Shizo basket features a long handle and a secure locking mechanism that allows you to flip your barbecue safely and easily with no food waste. A safer, easier, and more satisfying grilling experience. Grill all-in-one. The Shizo basket has a large and deep grilling tray, so you can grill different kinds of food all at the same time. Grill thick steaks and burgers along with your vegetables in a steel grid basket that measures 12 by 9.5 by 1.5 inches. Lightweight, durable, and easy to clean. Made with the highest quality stainless steel, light and easy to handle, rust-free, and dishwasher-safe. You can trust that your Shizo grill basket will last through many barbecue seasons. Number 3. Yukon Glory Barbecue N-Serve Wide Barbecue Grill Basket. The Yukon Glory Barbecue N-Serve Grill Basket features a wide design with a clip-on handle, ideal for grilling vegetables, fish, or meat. Perfect for outdoor cooking. It ensures even grilling and easy serving. 100% premium quality stainless steel. All of grill pans for outdoor grill and other barbecue accessories for grill are made with nothing but premium quality, heavy-duty food-grade stainless steel that won't rust or corrode. Innovative design with universal handle. Your new barbecue grill accessories for outdoor grill set also includes a convenient handle that easily clips and unclips to ensure easy and safe serving even for the hottest stainless steel grill basket. Perfect for grilling and serving. Use this grill pan as a fish basket for grilling and grill vegetable basket or a kebab grilling basket. Wide design. The vegetable grill basket for outdoor grill is nice and wide, allowing you to grill multiple items in one grill tray for outdoor grill. Number 4. ORDORA Grill Basket. Rust-proof stainless steel barbecue grill basket perfect for grilling fish, meat, steak, and more. Durable, easy to clean, and designed for even cooking. Ideal grill accessory and gift for men and dads. They provides 3 custom divided sections. Opt to divide the grill basket into 3 sections to keep different types of barbecue food separated in case of mixed taste. You can cooking sharps, steaks, and vegetables at the same time without mix the flavor with this grilling accessories. Or you can remove the dividers for a more large cooking space. Food-safe material and rust-proof 201 stainless steel. ORDORA grill basket is made of premium food-grade 201 stainless steel that is safe to use, and it will not warp or twist. ORDORA barbecue accessories also easy to clean and rust-proof, not 430 stainless steel or plated material. Larger cooking surface. ORDORA grilling basket provides a generous cooking surface of 12.2 by 9.6 by 1.8 inches to accommodate foods for 2 to 3 people. It's spacious and deep enough for whole fish, large meat and thick fillets and other barbecue foods. The grilling accessories can work well with multiple gas grill, charcoal grill, smoker grill, porcelain grill, or infrared grill. Portable with detachable wooden handle. ORDORA barbecue basket designed with detachable heat-resistant wooden handle for easy to hold. You will remove it from the grill basket easily. Upgraded slid lock enable easy flipping of barbecue grilled foods. It's ideal for grilling burgers, steaks, seafood, vegetable, fish, meat, shrimp, and other delicate barbecue foods. Durable and top quality. Thicker, denser, and stronger grill grate can perfect size to provide even heat distribution while preventing small pieces of barbecue foods from falling through grid gap. Take it in weekend, enjoy the delicious barbecue food with your friends. Number 5. Extra large grill accessories for outdoor grill. Extra large grill basket with a unique detachable handle, perfect for grilling fish, shrimp, vegetables, and more. Made from durable materials, ideal for outdoor BBQs, camping, and gifting to grill enthusiasts. 50% more spacious than others, RTT's grill basket offers you 50% larger capacity than other brands for the same price. It can hold multiple items at the same time, saving you time and resources in grilling. Can hold veggie, fish, burger, pork, chicken, steak, shrimps, etc. Unique design with detachable handle. This vegetable grill basket has a removable handle to fully close the grill cover for perfect grilling. Once on the grill, you can remove the handle easily and hassle-free, allowing you to avoid burn injuries. Secure lock mechanism. With its suitable mesh density and secured locking mechanism, flip the grill vegetable basket in just one stroke without dropping the food or creating any mess. No food will go to waste ever again. Heavy-duty and durable, RTT is committed to offer only high-quality rust-proof and heat-resistant stainless steel barbecue vegetable grilling basket that you can easily handle through multiple grilling seasons. Easy to use and clean, simply place the veggies, fish, etc. in the basket, flip it when needed, and you're good. It's dishwasher safe too, except for the handle. That was today's review. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And product link in the description box.